Origins and development of man. Origins and development of man. For some centuries, people have wanted to know where man originated from. Apart from the biblical account of man's creation, many theories have emerged about the origin of man. We will consider the biblical and the scientific versions of the origin of man. Let's look at the different versions of the origin of man. We are going to begin with the biblical version. The biblical version. According to the Bible, in the book of Genesis, man was created by God on the 6th day. This account of creation is held as the origin of man by Christians. Muslims and Jews hold a similar view that God is the one who created man. In the biblical version of creation, God not only did he create man, but he also created the universe and everything that is in it. Now, let's talk about the scientific version. The scientific version of the origin of man. The scientific theory of creation states that life began in the sea. It was believed that there were small one-celled organisms which formed in the ocean about 4 billion years ago, probably from chemical reactions of molecules such as water, carbon dioxide, and methane. These organisms did not have a nucleus and produced only by cell division. After millions of years, the shellfish, starfish, and creatures such as scorpions appeared. It was at the same time that plants appeared and spread to the land near the seas. Years later, the fish developed, followed by amphibians such as frogs. From amphibians came reptiles such as snakes and lizards. These lived on the land all their lives. Scientists believe that mammals came from reptiles and then man developed from mammals through evolution. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is evolution, or what do I mean when I say evolution? So evolution is a process of change by which man originated from ape-like creatures. Scientists argue that the appearance and behavioral characteristics shared by man evolved over a period of at least 6 million years. One of the earliest human characteristics is bipedalism, which is walking on 2 legs. Bipedalism evolved more than 4 million years ago. Other important human characteristics such as a large and complex brain, the ability to make and use tools, the capacity for language developed after bipedalism. The earliest humans evolved in Africa, and much of the human evolution occurred in this continent. The fossils of early humans who lived between 6 million and 2 million years ago are all found in Africa. The scientific study of human evolution is called Paleoanthropology. Paleoanthropologists, they study the origin of human physical characteristics and behavior. They try to discover how evolution has shaped the ability, the behavior, and the limitations of man. The British scientists Charles Darwin, who lived in the year 1809 to 1882, carried out an intense research on evolution. In 1831, he started a 5-year tour around the world in a ship called the HMS Beagle, which he used to study species of birds on the island of Galapagos in the Antarctic Ocean. From this tour, he observed and concluded the evolution theory.
Yeah.